Human. You know what day it is? It's my birthday. Can we hang out for my birthday? Happy will be there as well. Yay! Let's go. Pappy, I brought the human back for my birthday. I guess you could say they're not gonna make you lonely for your birthday. Pappy, I know I said we could make puns this year, but not so early. Sorry, couldn't help myself, bro. Jeez. Anyways, I have an idea that we could do for my birthday. We should cook together. I know I'm not the best, but I will still try to make it worthwhile for both of us. Alright, human. Let's make our magnificent cake for the magnificent Santa's birthday. After a few mess-ups and puns later. We did it! We made the cake! Could you taste it this time? Is it good? It is? Yay! I improved! Alright, let's eat up. A few hours later. Well, I'm tired, bro. I'm gonna go to sleep. See you in the morning. See you, Poppy. So, human? Do you want to sleep in my room? Why? Well, I've always wanted to, cuddle with you, human. You will? Okay, let's go. Alright. Come here, human. Wowzers. You're so soft, human. Magnificent Santa's usually never lazy, but if your softness is what I have to wake up to, I may change. Before I fall asleep, could I call you Muffin? I can? Yay.